Good morning viewers, I am Dr. Sukanya Dasgupta, Associate Professor in the Department of Medicine, Bharti Hospital. Today we observe World Obesity Day. So viewers, what is obesity? Obesity is a chronic, complex disease which leads to excessive fat deposition in the body. The excess fat is not the disease, but the functions and the changes it occurs into the body is the problem. Assessment of obesity. You yourself can assess obesity in yourself by a simple method. We call it body mass index. Now, body mass index has a formula which is average weight in kgs divided by average height in meters square. How to interpret it, body mass index? We can interpret it by if the BMI comes in between 25 to 29.9 kg per meter square, you are overweight. If BMI is around 30 or less than 35 kg per meter square, you are under the class 1 obesity. If BMI is 35 to less than 40 kg per meter square, it is under the category of class 2 obesity. And class 3 obesity or severe obesity is more than 40 kg per meter square. Now, why obesity is an issue in our population or worldwide? Because it has indirect and direct effects on the body. Let us see the direct effects first. It causes severe respiratory and musculoskeletal disorders like asthma, sleep apnea, obesity hypoventilation syndrome, backache, gout, and osteoarthritis. Now, what are the indirect effects? Indirect effects are cognition and memory deficiency, which leads to Alzheimer at a very early stage. Then, it causes chronic inflammation in the body because excess fat secretes many hormones and chemicals in the body which leads to inflammatory response such as insulin resistance. Because of insulin resistance, we get high blood sugar level. Because of insulin resistance, we tend to get hyperlipidemia where there is increased level of cholesterol and increased triglycerides, which leads to hypertension, and combining all these symptoms together, there is a disease called metabolic syndrome. Cardiovascular causes are acute myocardial infarction, which is heart attack, coronary artery diseases. Neurologically, if we tend to see stroke cases more in obese patients. Various hormones are affected, like in females, there is PCOS. In pregnancy, there are multiple complications if obesity sets in during pregnancy, like hypertension, perinatal uterine death, pulmonary embolisms are also seen. Psychological disorders like lethargy, anxiety causes overeating, and this overeating causes obesity, and there is low confidence in a patient who has psychological issues with obesity. So these were the main effects, direct and the indirect effects of obesity, which we have seen now. Now, what is the root cause of obesity? The root cause of obesity is excessive intake of calories and reduced energy expenditure. How we tend to eat more? First, we have our mobiles and laptops where we are working, we are ordering food and even shopping sometimes. In front of the screen, we tend to sit for long hours and intermittent snacking is ongoing, which leads to excessive fat deposition in our body. Lack of inactivity and regular exercise is another cause of obesity. Fast and convenient food available at our doorstep is another cause and main issue of obesity which the population is facing these days. Sugar in every food. You get a packet of juice or a bottle of cold drink, there is excess sugar in it. How we can manage obesity? We can manage obesity by doing few sacrifices. We can sacrifice intermittent snacking. We must increase our activity. We should keep our phone and laptop aside and start walking in the evening hours. Third, we can do one thing to try to incorporate obesity curriculum in our schools, where the child up to the age of 8 years can be taught about obesity, lifestyle modification, benefits of exercise, and how the child can manage his or her own obesity. As the child reaches adulthood, the child will be able to cope up all the issues with obesity. So together, we can fight obesity in such by managing all these things. Now, diet plan in obesity could be, you can incorporate complex carbohydrates, plant-based foods which contains high fiber and low sugar, or fruits, vegetables. Diet should be high in fiber, less in fat. Exercise daily or play outdoor games like swimming, cycling, or a brisk walk every day is helpful for managing obesity. Cut down to intermittent snackings and apply a healthier lifestyle. Today, as we observe World Obesity Day, let us fight back together and solve the issue of obesity, make our families and children much more healthier to fight diseases, and remember, at the end of the day, health is wealth. Thank you so much.